Elon Musk's Mars colonization plan, dream or reality? The idea of establishing a human settlement on Mars often sounds like a plot straight out of a science fiction story. Yet, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has a vision to make this a reality. His ambitious plan aims to establish a self-sustaining city of 1 million people on Mars by 2050, completely independent of Earth. While initially met with skepticism, the advancements made by SpaceX in rocket technology and NASA's collaboration on the Mars mission have brought this vision closer to reality. Let's explore how this seemingly impossible dream might come to life. Why Mars? With the natural resources and conditions that Earth provides, why would we even consider colonizing Mars? The answer lies in the grim future of our planet. Scientific research indicates that Earth is on a path toward becoming increasingly inhospitable for humans. Since the Industrial Revolution, the excessive use of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas has led to rising global temperatures. The average temperature of the Earth is increasing by 0.16 degrees Celsius every decade, and within the next 150 years, many regions currently inhabited by humans may become unlivable due to extreme heat. The melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and an increase in catastrophic events such as floods, cyclones, and tsunamis are further signs of Earth's deteriorating health. Pollution has also damaged the ozone layer, exposing us to harmful solar radiation. Scientists predict that Earth might eventually become uninhabitable, necessitating the search for a new home for humanity. Why Mars and not another planet? Our solar system offers other planets, such as Venus, as potential options. However, Mars stands out as the most feasible alternative. Venus, despite being closer to Earth, has a scorching surface temperature high enough to melt metals like lead. It also has a dense, toxic atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid clouds, making it far too hostile for human life. Mars, on the other hand, while cold and barren, presents certain advantages. It has a day-night cycle similar to Earth's, 24.6 hours. Its gravity is about 38% of Earth's, which is sufficient for humans to adapt to. There's evidence of frozen water beneath its surface. The planet has resources like carbon dioxide and nitrogen that can potentially be used for creating breathable air and soil for agriculture. Despite its challenges, Mars is the most viable candidate for human colonization. Challenges of living on Mars. Mars is far from a hospitable environment. The average temperature on Mars is around 100 degrees Celsius. The atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide, with almost no oxygen. There is no liquid water on the surface, only frozen reserves beneath. Dust storms on Mars can last for months and cover the entire planet. These conditions make it clear that surviving on Mars will require innovative solutions and advanced technology. Elon Musk's plan for Mars. Elon Musk's plan for Mars colonization is divided into several phases. 1. Starship development. SpaceX is building the Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed to transport humans and cargo to Mars. Powered by advanced rocket technology, it aims to use minimal fuel by relying on solar energy and refueling on Mars itself. 2. Establishing robotic infrastructure. Before humans set foot on Mars, robots equipped with artificial intelligence will be sent to the planet to build essential infrastructure. These robots will identify suitable locations using advanced sensors and cameras, extract Martian soil and refine it for construction using 3D printing technology, build protective shelters to shield humans from radiation and dust storms. These robots will operate using solar energy and can work faster and more efficiently than humans. Their activities will be monitored and controlled remotely from Earth. 3. Human exploration. The first human crew will arrive on Mars with sufficient supplies to survive for at least 2 years. These supplies will include food, oxygen, and water, which will be stored in pressurized shelters built by the robots. The astronauts' main tasks will be to test the functionality of the shelters and equipment, set up greenhouses to grow food, extract and purify water from underground reserves, sustaining life on Mars. Greenhouses for food and oxygen. The initial focus will be on growing crops like potatoes and beans, which require minimal resources. These plants will not only provide food but also produce oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis. However, this oxygen supply will not be sufficient, so additional methods will be employed. Oxygen production technology. NASA's Mars rover has already tested a device called MOXIE, which can extract oxygen from Mars' carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere. Using solar energy, this device separates oxygen from carbon dioxide and stores it for human use. Solar energy for power solar farms will be established to provide electricity to the colony. The energy generated will power shelters, greenhouses, and other facilities. Long-term vision. Terraforming Mars. Living permanently in pressurized shelters is not an ideal solution. To make Mars more Earth-like, scientists are exploring a concept called terraforming, modifying the planet's environment to make it habitable. One proposal involves creating factories on Mars that release greenhouse gases, similar to how human activities have caused global warming on Earth. Over time, this could raise Mars' temperature and create a thicker atmosphere. Another controversial idea, supported by Elon Musk, involves detonating nuclear weapons over Mars poles. This would release massive amounts of carbon dioxide trapped in the ice, warming the planet and creating a more hospitable environment. Both ideas are highly experimental and would take centuries to produce significant results. Timeline of the mission. 2036. The first small crew of astronauts will land on Mars to conduct experiments and establish a basic settlement. 2050. SpaceX aims to have a fully functioning city with 1 million residents living independently of Earth. Beyond 2050, the focus will shift to making Mars more Earth-like, potentially transforming it into a second home for humanity. Is it worth the effort? The idea of living on Mars raises several questions. Why invest so much in colonizing another planet when we can focus on saving Earth? The answer lies in having a backup plan. While efforts to combat climate change on Earth are crucial, Mars colonization offers a safety net for humanity in case Earth becomes uninhabitable. However, this endeavor comes with significant ethical, financial, and scientific challenges. The cost of establishing a colony on Mars will be astronomical, and the success of such a mission is not guaranteed. Conclusion. Elon Musk's vision to colonize Mars is one of the most ambitious projects in human history. It combines cutting-edge technology, innovative problem-solving, and a deep understanding of the challenges involved. While it may take centuries to transform Mars into a second Earth, the steps taken today will shape the future of humanity. Whether or not Mars colonization becomes a reality, it inspires us to think beyond our planet and push the boundaries of what is possible. Only time will tell if Musk's dream will come true, but one thing is certain: the journey toward Mars will revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it.